part-time? Part-time na ba ito? O part-time? I think it's part-time. I think this will be a series. What do you want to buy? Bread. Not here, over here. Bread. Okay. A baby went out. Kill him. Wait, no. I can make him go back in. Habang nagdi-distracted yung mga mother father niya sa akin. Piggy? Piggy. No feeding for you. Ay, papasukin mo sana yun. Lock the gate! Lock it. Ah! Lock the gate! You lock it. Okay. Open. Lock the gate. Goodbye. Oh yeah, this is the planks. Sorry, I broke your house a little bit. Ading, it's over here. Ading, malapit din sa bed mo. It's over here. What lang? Here is it. Ilagay mo na. Ilagay mo na lang. I'm going back to the house. So, are you abandoning the house? Ading, leave na muna ako. So, see you guys and see you on part 10. Wait, I think I'm just gonna make this me going out to the house. Yeah. So, watch me in this last few minutes walking to the house. Crap is running all the time. So, goodbye.